Stunt driving in Brampton, what you need to know. Are you aware that Brampton has experienced an astonishing 620% increase in stunt driving charges since 2015? This represents the highest growth rate among all 53 Ontario court jurisdictions. Today, I'm going to reveal the enforcement patterns in Brampton, examine the alarming statistics behind this unprecedented surge, and explain what happens when you face stunt driving charges in the Brampton Provincial Offences Court. I'm Jonathan Cohen. I'm a partner at Next Law, Ontario's dedicated stunt driving law firm. Brampton presents distinctive challenges for drivers that have contributed to its dramatic rise in stunt driving charges. The city's major highway infrastructure, including the 410, 407, and Queen Street corridors, provide significant opportunities for high speed driving. And what many drivers don't realize is that Peel Regional Police, they have implemented specific stunt driving enforcement initiatives that target these high traffic areas. Our analysis has identified four major enforcement hotspots in the Brampton area. There's going to be Highway 410, there's Queen Street East and Highway 7 and Highway 50, Countryside Drive, and Steeles Avenue between Hurontario Street and Airport Road. What makes Brampton unique is how its rapidly expanding population has dramatically increased in the number of drivers on local roads. Did you know that Peel Regional Police often conduct targeted enforcement operations during the evening and weekend hours at all of the locations I mentioned, utilizing both marked and unmarked vehicles? Brampton's demographic factors also play a significant role in its high stunt driving rates. The city has a younger than average driver population, a demographic statistically more likely to be charged with stunt driving offenses. This combination of expanding population, extensive highway infrastructure, targeted enforcement, and demographic factors has created perfect conditions for Brampton's status as Ontario's stunt driving enforcement capital. The numbers tell a shocking story about stunt driving in Brampton. In 2024, Brampton recorded 914 stunt driving charges, representing a 620% increase since 2015, dramatically exceeding the provincial average increase of 146%. Extraordinary patterns emerged. The most remarkable finding is the unprecedented 116% spike between 2020 and 2021, which resulted in an all-time high of 1,222 charges. To put this in perspective, that 2021 peak represents a staggering 962% increase over 2015 levels. If you're facing a stunt driving charge in Brampton, your case will be heard at the Provincial Offences Court located at 5 Ray Lawson Boulevard. Understanding this court's specific procedures can significantly impact your case outcome. Now, what many drivers don't realize is that Brampton's courts have distinctive tendencies when handling stunt driving cases. The local provincial prosecutors have specific approaches to negotiation, and the court follows particular scheduling and procedural requirements that differ from all other jurisdictions. The consequences of a stunt driving conviction in Brampton are severe and immediate. That's a 14-day impound of your vehicle at the roadside. Your license gets immediately suspended for 30 days on the spot. Upon conviction, you're going to face that $2,000 fine, possibly up to $10,000. You could receive up to 6 months in jail. Your license will be suspended for at least 1 year, up to 3, and you'll receive 6 demerit points. In Brampton's already high insurance market, a stunt driving conviction can increase premiums by 100% or more for 3+ years. These penalties are particularly severe in Brampton's transportation and logistics sector, where many residents work and where a clean driving record is essential for employment. Defending against stunt driving charges in Brampton requires specialized knowledge. Each case presents unique circumstances and potential defense strategies. One, technical defenses that challenge the speed measurement equipment, calibration and operator training. Necessity defenses, establishing a legitimate reason for exceeding the speed limits. There's also charter applications identifying violations of rights during traffic stops. And there's also the most important, which is negotiated resolutions with Brampton provincial prosecutors. When facing stunt driving charges in Brampton, having representation with local court experience can make a critical difference in your outcome. So if you're facing stunt driving charges in Brampton, contact my office immediately. The sooner we begin working on your case, the more options we have for achieving a favorable outcome for your case. If you have any questions, if you want to know more about Ontario stunt driving laws, how to protect your rights, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can text us. You can email us. You can call our office anytime. We are happy to help. We're here for you. Now, remember, while complete dismissals are few and far between, there are always paths to better outcomes in stunt driving cases. The key is understanding the unique aspect of Brampton's enforcement and court system and working with experienced professionals who know how to navigate both.